Problem and solution. A problem is something that needs to be solved. It may be between individuals, which is two or more people, with one person, with something going on in the world, in society, or between groups. And the solution is the means of solving a problem or dealing with a difficult situation. And these are some key words and phrases that lets us know that we're reading about a problem and solution. So these are our signal words. Answer, as a result, because, consequently, dilemma, in order to, leads to, reason for, solution, problem, question, since, so that, the puzzle is, thereby, therefore, or, cause, clues, if, then. So when we see these signal words and phrases, we know that we are dealing with a problem and solution. Now we're going to take a look at this passage and we're going to identify the problem and the solution. Making milkshakes. Alex is making milkshakes for his friend Luke. First he gets out the blender, next he gathers his ingredients. Alex knows he needs ice cream, chocolate syrup, and milk. Oh no! Alex is missing a very important ingredient. We do not have any milk, Alex tells Luke. I'm sorry, but I cannot make milkshakes. What if we ask your neighbor if she has some milk? Luke asks. That is a great idea, Alex says. The two boys walk to the neighbor's house and knock on the front door. When she answers, the boy asks if they can borrow some milk to make milkshakes. Why, of course you may borrow some milk, she says, but only if you promise to make me a milkshake too. So, let's think about what caused them to not be able to reach their goal. What is the problem here? They did not have any milk. How did they solve this problem? What is their solution? They decided to ask the neighbor. Let's take a look at another example. Max and Beans. Max has a cat named Beans. Max and Beans are best friends. One day, Beans runs out of the front door down the street. Max chases after Beans but cannot find him. He is very worried. Max's mom suggests they put up signs in case anyone sees Beans. Max puts a sign on every lamppost in his neighborhood. He goes home to wait to see if anyone has found his cat. Later that night, the phone rings. Max answers it quickly. I think I have your cat, a woman says. Is your cat black and white with a pink nose? And does he really like to be scratched under his chin? Yes. Max almost yells into the phone. Someone's found his cat. Where was he? I found him playing in my bird bath, she says. Of course, Bean loves water. Max is so happy. He cannot wait to see his friend again. What problem did Max run into in this story? His cat Beans ended up running away. He ran out the front door and ran away. Usually when you're looking at the solution, you're not just going to go straight from the problem to the solution. There are different steps that are taken by the character or the person in order to get to that solution. So here we have Max putting up signs and asking people to alert him if they found a cat. This led to the solution where someone calls him, a woman calls him and lets him know that his cat has been found, which is our solution.